How to fix if your Wi-Fi is grayed out on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if the Wi-Fi option is actually clearly grayed out on your iPhone and if it's not working at all. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that your Wi-Fi could simply not be working properly. The problem could be with your Wi-Fi or your software or your Wi-Fi chip, which means your hardware component in the first place. So we're going to get through all of this. The very first thing you want to make sure is that try to connect to other network connections, right? So if you have some other Wi-Fi networks available, I'd recommend you to try to connect to those and then see if that works out, because if it works out, then the problem is most likely with your Wi-Fi itself and not your device, right? So try to connect to other devices as well and see if your Wi-Fi is working just fine. If not, then try to turn on and off Wi-Fi once and for all. Once you do that, also make sure to restart your iPhone by pressing the power and the volume key combinations. Once you've actually restarted your Wi-Fi as well, see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then go to General, scroll down to bottom, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, go to the option called Reset, and here select the option called Reset Network Settings. Once you select Reset Network Settings, you might need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi again, and hopefully that would solve the problem. If it doesn't, then what you can try to do is to simply try to update it. Now, assuming that you are not connected on your iPhone, right? You might want to have a PC and an iPhone cable, connect your iPhone to your PC, and then you should be able to go ahead and then restore by using the iTunes software. It is very easy to do that. I'll make sure to drop a video link down below where you can simply restore and then update your iPhone to the latest version. And hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.